Alright, now I'm getting ready to perform my brake check. Okay, so I will do a tug test on both my tractor brakes and my trailer brakes. So I will release by pushing in my tractor brake while leaving my trailer brake out. Okay, I'm gonna put my transmission in drive, do a nice little tug. Alright, it did not budge, so that indicates that my trailer brakes are working properly. With my foot on my service brake, I will pull out my tractor brake and I will go ahead and push in my trailer brake to release it. And I'll do the same thing, slight tug. Alright, moved forward and it did not budge to indicate that the tractor brakes is working properly. Next, I will release both my tractor and my trailer brake. Now remember, your foot is still on the service brake while you're doing this. So I will pull forward up to 5 miles per hour and I will apply my service brake to make sure that my tractor doesn't move left to right and my truck stops smoothly. Okay? So putting in drive, I'm gonna go up to 5 miles per hour. And then we're gonna slowly brake. Alright, my tractor did not move left to right and my service brake worked properly. And this concludes my brake test.